these are all my appliances. And when you're deciding where to put your appliances, again, the story is the same. You want to keep the ones out that you're using the most and put the ones behind doors or up on a shelf, the ones that you're not using as often, and organize them. Even within your cabinets, you'll want to organize them so that you are the ones that you're using the most, even though you might not be using them every day. If you're taking them out every week, then you want to have those at the front of the cabinet. So what I'm going to put my appliances down here in this cabinet, and this is pretty much the only cabinet that I have. So I want to put appliances down there, just for mostly aesthetic purposes. And I'm going to put my water filter back in the very back because it's the biggest and the bulkiest, and I only use it about once every other week. So just going to fit that back in the back. And then I'm going to put my food processor back in the other corner. I don't use that a ton either. And my seed grinder, I actually use quite a few times a week, so I'm going to put that up in the front. And my blender I use quite a bit, so I'm going to put that up in the front as well. And my coffee pot, put that near the front. And my juicer, one, because it's so big and bulky, but also because I use it every day, I'm going to keep it out on the counter. And I chose this corner, one, because it's really the only counter space that I have, and also because of its proximity to the sink. So I can, when parts are dripping after I juice things, and I can just move it over to the sink. And also because of where the outlet is in this kitchen, which there's only one outlet, and it's over on the other side of the sink. So because there's no room over there, I'm going to run an extension cord back behind my sink. There's a little space in between the bar and this wood piece that goes underneath it. And I'm going to run an extension cord and just push it back up in there so you can't see it and it's away from the water. And then it'll come back down here, and I can plug in my juicer. And I have it set at a diagonal also because of where this shelf is, because that makes it the easiest to use and actually gives me the most counter space around it.